What's the meaning of amorously? Amorously. 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 Amorously.
Amorously is an adverb that describes actions or behavior related to love and romance. It conveys a sense of passionate or sexual desire towards someone. This word is often used to describe intimate moments or gestures between individuals who are attracted to each other, or to describe acts of courtship. Overall, amorously signifies a strong emotional connection and physical attraction between two people, and implies a willingness to engage in romantic or sexual activity.